Have you guys ever wondered, like, what on earth you were created to do? Have you ever asked yourself, like, God, why am I here? Like, what was I created to do? What would you have for me to do with my life? If you identify with any of these questions, stay tuned. I think I have an answer. Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So if the title of this video landed you here, stay to the very end. Perhaps something in this video will change your life for the better forever. I know there are so many of you guys out there who often ask yourself, what were you created to do? And what purpose? What is your purpose? What is your purpose for being here on the earth? And I, like you, I found myself in that position, and I feel like one of my life goals is to help bring other people out. So after many years of just trying different things and different hobbies and just different interests, I found my purpose. And I know my purpose is to bring joy and happiness to others. And I have the pleasure of being able to do that through prayer, you know, our prayer times here on YouTube, through decorating, through my event planning business. You know, I get to see the joy on the faces of brides and expectant mothers and retirees and grandmothers and grandfathers. Like, I know my purpose is to bring joy into the lives of others, and I get to do that through using my creativity and decorating. And so I said all that to say, you know, you may be in that space and you're wondering what your purpose is. You're wondering what your destiny is. You're wondering why you were created. I'm going to tell you the secret to finding out your purpose. And I know a lot of you guys may have read the book, The Purpose Driven Life, and it is a great book, by the way. But one thing, the key secret to finding out your purpose in life is to asking the manufacturer. Now hear me out. When my husband and I got our new car, you know, he has an SUV, I have a sedan. Now I cannot go get the book to his car to figure out how to drive mine or what my car was created to do, because the Mercedes book is only going to tell me how to operate that particular Mercedes. The Cadillac book is only going to tell me how to operate his Escalade. Now, some things may be similar, but not all things function the exact same way. So in order for me to figure out exactly how my car functions, I have to seek out my manufacturer. In order for him to find exactly how his car functions, he has to seek out his manufacturer. And the same thing for you. In order to find out exactly what you were created to do, why God created you, you have to ask your manufacturer. You have to ask the person who made you. And a lot of times, you know, you can find that very tough to do. So the first thing I would advise you to do is to pray. A lot of times, you know, we set goals and we set visions and we set dreams for the new year. But the first thing you need to do is pray. Pray and ask God, you know, what would you have me to do? In what capacity would you have for me to serve in this year? Do I need to be helping the homeless? Do I need to, you know, feed, you know, do some type of feeding for the homeless during this time? Do I need to volunteer and deliver goodies to nursing homes? Like, what do you have me to do? Where does my passion lie? And then you work in that area. And then once God tells you those things that you need to do, jot those things down and start volunteering and serving and giving your time in those areas. And then once you progress from that, God is going to start revealing to you more and more and more things to do for you in this year. Now, there are some things that obviously you may want to do for yourself. You know, like for me this year, you know, being physically fit is going to be like the cornerstone of one of my goals, because my body has just gone through so much over the past few years. And so I want to do better by my body. I want to exercise more. I want to eat the right things because it's just gone through a lot. So that is one of my goals. And so in that, I'm going to ask, you know, I set up 3 different things, and I shared this to you guys briefly in another video. And the 3 things that God spoke to me was training. This would be my year to train, to triumph, and to testify. And so when he gave me those 3 words, I was able to break those down more into, you know, physical categories, emotional, spiritual, financial, the whole 9. So training, you definitely, you know, I'm going to train my body. I'm going to train myself to eat well, to exercise more, you know, to do all of those things to be better to my body, to triumph. You know, I want to be able to triumph over laziness and triumph over procrastination when it comes to working out. Triumph over the desire to eat certain foods each and every day. So you see how that fits in every single category. And at the end of the year, or hopefully before then, I'll have a testimony. And so that's just pertaining to weight loss. I have so many other goals, so many spiritual goals, so many personal goals, so many business goals. But in each one of those categories, I'm going to break them down into how I'm going to train for my business, what areas I'm going to triumph in my business, and then eventually I will have a testimony about that area. You got it? Good. So that's what I want to encourage you guys to do. And I want you guys to kind of sit down, think about the things you really want to accomplish. Even those things you feel like it's too late for you to do, it's not too late. I'm here to tell you, it's not too late. As long as you have breath in your body, it is not too late. And what I want to do is that I want to pray and I want to agree with you on your goals for 2021. So your homework is that I want you guys to just pause this video for a moment and to think about what is really in your heart that you would like to accomplish, and write that thing down in the comments below. And then on January the 31st, I'm going to go live and I'm going to pray with each of you about your goals. I'm going to pray over your goals and the things that you want to achieve. I'm going to pray for your purpose, and I'm going to ask God to help to show you your purpose. I want to stand in agreement with you guys for your goals, for your visions, for your dreams, and for your purpose for this upcoming year, because it is so imperative now more than ever for us to realize exactly what God created us to do, and for us to live out our purpose, our God-given purpose, our God-given destiny in our lives. So many of you guys have asked for this notebook, and I just created this as a very simple printout. If you want just this simple printout, I will put it in my Etsy store. I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested in this. Now, just remember that it will be digital, so you will have to print it out yourself. I put it in a 3-ring binder, but if you want me to customize one for you with your own individual goals, email me and then I will do a custom one for you. I will also link that on Etsy if you want a custom one, but you'll need to tell me what your goals are so that I can customize it for you, and I'll put it there. So that's all I wanted to kind of share. It's really heavy on my heart because I know it's so many people out there that really just don't understand what their purpose is in life, and I don't think you should live life without knowing what your purpose is and what God created you to do. And so we're going to figure that out together. We're going to go to the manufacturer, and we know that he reveals things to us in prayer. So we're going to pray. There's power in prayer. There's power in agreement. And I pray and I believe that this will be your best year ever. This is going to be the year of victory for so many of us. God is going to reestablish, he's going to realign, he's going to reinstate, he's going to redo. I just really believe that this is going to be the year of and in order for us to be able to receive all that God has for us, we have to be in our divine, our purposeful, our right place within him. So you guys be blessed. I'll see you at the next video, and until next time, it's Melanie. Bye-bye.